Hello and welcome to Investor Info. Fiverr is one of the most prominent websites in the world for online digital service marketplaces. This marketplace allows you to look for a wide range of freelancers that provide a variety of services. From software development to virtual assistants, the amount of job offers are endless. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 legit ways to make money on Fiverr. But before we begin, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you'll get notified every time we upload a new video. You are not going to want to miss out. Let's get started. Number 1. First and foremost on our list, copywriting. Advertising your products and services doesn't always get the desired outcomes. Most of the time, this is because the marketing language you choose is poorly worded or inefficient at convincing customers to take the last step of completing a purchase. This is a critical aspect in achieving success in any sector. Whatever you sell or service you provide, how your written material is presented is more important than you believe. One of the most crucial aspects of advertising and marketing is copywriting. It is the practice of producing persuading words that inspire or urge others to do a particular action. When you visit a website that encourages you to make a purchase, the words on that page are the result of copywriting. Copies can be found in print, online, and even on television or the radio. Copywriting may be found practically wherever you look and listen. Every company or organization that wishes to communicate with its target audience requires the services of a copywriter. No firm is too big or too little, from sole proprietorships to major corporations. As a copywriter, you may create product reviews, blog entries, and website landing pages, as well as produce books. On Fiverr, a copywriting assignment may cost up to $5,000. To build a Fiverr copywriting service offering, you must first create a gig that will share your offer. People will be browsing through the available gigs, and you'll only have a few seconds to catch their attention and persuade them to consider your gig listing. Make sure to include keywords like SEO writing to build an engaging title that is especially tailored to the consumer prospects you are targeting. Another way to gain success is product differentiation. Consider anything in great demand that you can provide to distinguish yourself apart. Why should people pick you over the individual in the gig close to yours in the search results? Show off your qualifications. Number 2. Second on our list is website development. Website design and development is one of the best paid work categories on Fiverr, with freelancers earning between $100 and $5,000 each task. You can make several bids for the website concept, design, and development. If you can complete all of the offers, you will be rewarded additional money. If you have graphic design skills, it's an excellent idea to start offering website building services on Fiverr. There are several business owners seeking creative enthusiasts and freelancers to undertake design work online. You may also discover other offers for coding, design, and website development. Essentially, how much money you make with web development tasks is entirely dependent on how much time you devote to this platform. Shopify, Squarespace, and WordPress may all be used to create such online selling platforms. Simultaneously, you may increase your revenue by designing logos, banners, and other promotional materials for businesses on the internet. On Fiverr, many freelancers are making more money by designing personalized marketing products for huge businesses. There are more chances in the e-commerce industry in particular. Experts that can create imaginative and dynamic web platforms to market their items online are in high demand among business executives. There is a huge need for sellers that can create e-commerce websites using Shopify, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, PrestaShop, and other platforms. Number 3. Another great way to make money on Fiverr is through social media services. Social media marketing is one of Fiverr's fastest growing enterprises. As a social media marketer, you'll be responsible for things like audience research, monitoring social media sites, providing material to them, and campaign design. As a social media marketer, you can earn between $50 and $1,000 based on the responsibilities assigned to you by the customer. It comes as no surprise that a large portion of services available on Fiverr involve Twitter postings, Facebook marketing, or Google Plus promotions. People are anxious for traffic to their websites, and they are willing to spend $5 to have that traffic directed to their web pages. The social media revolution has enabled companies of all sorts to access an ever-expanding audience. Social media, in particular, presents a tremendous chance for small and medium-sized businesses to boost visitors to their websites without breaking the budget. When used in conjunction with conventional and digital marketing, social media is an economical, personable, and scalable solution for your clients to draw customers to their online business. To attract the most social traffic to your client's online business, it's critical to grasp the value and benefits that each network offers your marketing approach. Increasing your client's Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter following can bring more visitors to their website, where they may ideally convert into paying customers. The greater the following, the more effectively social media may be utilized to locate prospects, generate leads, sell items, and influence brand image. The customer has power over what they see and what they ignore on social media. You'll have a difficult time persuading your audience to pay attention to your brand until you've established trust with them. If you want to gain the confidence of your audience, you must create information that is honest, fascinating, and useful to them. Instead of a direct sales pitch, one method to do this is to offer to create blog entries that improve your client's customers' lives through lifestyle suggestions or comedy. Number 4. Next on our list is virtual assistants. As more organizations have discovered the need for support with clerical chores, virtual assistants has grown in popularity in recent years. As a virtual assistant on Fiverr, you'll be tasked with a variety of tasks such as data input, contacting new customers, cold calling, and setting up meetings with clients. A virtual assistant job can pay anything from $5 to $100. A virtual assistant is just an assistant who works from a different location. As technical improvements in the 1990s delivered dependable internet to more households, businesses realized they didn't need to send an employee into the office to get work done, which led to the creation of the first virtual assistants. Entrepreneurs and internet firms who want assistance but do not want to invest in an office space for workers are particularly in demand for virtual assistants. However, many small and medium-sized firms rely on virtual assistants as well, particularly for specialized duties such as social media management. In theory, a virtual assistant can accomplish whatever that another member of support staff can do. Of course, there are constraints, but technology is progressively providing solutions to work around them. They may not be able to personally bring you coffee in the morning, but they may be able to place a coffee or lunch order through a meal delivery service. Virtual support responsibilities do not end with clerical labor. They may aid in marketing, web design, bookkeeping, and a variety of other services. Some virtual assistants specialize in a certain skill set and only execute tasks relating to that skill type. Other virtual assistants specialize in a certain area, such as a virtual assistant who works with realtors. Number 5. Last but not least, joining the Fiverr affiliate program. This program is fantastic since all links include a 12-month tracking cookie. If someone clicks on your link and purchases something during the next 12 months, you will be paid a commission. Another benefit of the affiliate program is that you may market your links to consumers in 160 different countries. To put it simply, if the customer is not from the United States, but from one of the permitted countries on the list, you will still receive your commission. Furthermore, affiliates may utilize deep links to directly promote items and increase sales. This means they may provide a direct link to the good or service, allowing the customer to purchase it straight away. Create an ultimate guide around your subject and propose services on Fiverr for each stage of your guide to make money on Fiverr through the Fiverr affiliate program. Then, within your article, you list services that you purchased on Fiverr. Assume you publish an article on the best places to acquire a logo. You'd add Fiverr on the list and indicate that the logo for your website was created by a freelancer on the marketplace. If they like your logo, they will most likely inquire about the pricing and other details before clicking on your link. Next, compose a comprehensive evaluation of Fiverr or a comparison of freelancing platforms. Fiverr only gives you a commission if someone who has never purchased anything from the marketplace placed an order. So, if you write a platform review, it's a certainty that the majority of your readers will be individuals who are new to Fiverr and want to learn more about it. Finally, share affiliate links in relevant groups on Facebook. Fiverr has around 200 categories which you can promote. For many of these, you will be able to find dedicated or related Facebook groups and forums. And there you have it, folks. Now that we've discussed the top 5 legit ways to make money on Fiverr, Let us know in the comment section down below which one you're willing to try out first. Remember to always do your research and make the most of your resources. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. See you in the next video!